Guys, look at this. That was the gas that was in here. We got this old school Jaguar right here. Varden Plus. This thing's real nice here. One of our customers bring it out here because she said the fuel pump was bad, and that's what the last mechanic was supposed to be fixing. So we got it over here at the yard. We're gonna put another fuel pump in it, but first we gotta drain out that fuel tank. The Jaguars, old school, have these weird looking keys to just twist them, and then there's like a latch underneath. You press a button. All right, so now we are in the trunk. So I already had disconnected the fuel tank. I was actually gonna pull it out of here, and it's just been giving me a lot of problems. There's some stuff that needs to be done in order to truly get this thing out, and I just don't want to go through what it's gonna take to get this out, because you got to go underneath and undo some hoses, blah blah blah, tons of crap. But also we got some electrical wires here that are just everywhere. But let's go inside, let's get the siphon going. I'm gonna show y'all how freaking dirty this gas is. This is my gas siphon, or it's what I'm going to use for a gas siphon. I got it right inside the tank through this top access panel. Guys, y'all about to see how super dirty this is. This is going to be the importance of cleaning out gas tanks on your old school vehicles before you get them going. This is gas out. Now I got this freaking siphon from Harbor Freight. It uses D batteries. And look at that. Look at that, guys. See that? That's black. Black. How was we just gonna change out the fuel pump? Look at this crap. That's like, it's like oil. No wonder the freaking, that's like oil, man. Well, there you have it, guys. You've been having that car sitting for a very long time. You want to get her going. Oh, I gotta replace the fuel pump. I gotta do this and that. No, you need to drop the tank. You need to get all that old gas out of there. If you're in the Dallas area, y'all need some mobile repair service work on your vehicle, go ahead and hit us up. We'll come out there and get you right for a reasonable rate, but make sure, you know, we're always gonna do good, man. So you can check us out on Google under Puro Mobile Repair Service. And this is not a skit, man. This stuff is really still coming out. I'm gonna let the camera go until we're fully done getting this crap out of here. This is preposterous. Guys, look at this. That was the gas that was in here. Is that even gas? You know what I mean? Wow. Wowzers. So rule number one, whenever your car's been sitting for a very, very long time, clean the gas tank out. It would be even better to actually take the entire gas tank out, wash it out, all that good stuff. But the bare minimum, siphon it out, get you some rags, wipe it out really good, fill it with some more gas. Also put gas treatment in there if you want it to last and not make your motor run bad. Gas like that will actually make your motor run really, really bad. The inside of the tank, and it is gummed up with varnish. This is what gas does when it sits for a very long time. Problem is, if you try to put fresh gas in here, it's gonna break up all this old petrolized gummed up gas, and it's gonna run it through your fuel injector. I've been trying to clean the tank out, but all this stuff is sticky, like Laffy Taffy in here. It's super bad gas. You can see from those pictures, The gas was literally black. Look. All this is all inside the gas tank. So until the next time, you guys, appreciate y'all for watching. Like and subscribe and share with your friends if you like the channel and the content.